Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mint hot chocolate. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. For that refreshing minty kick, grab a 1/4 teaspoon of pure peppermint extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk ready to go. Now let's get mixing. In your saucepan, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and that tiny pinch of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, slowly pour in about 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. You want a smooth, consistent chocolate base. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture is hot and steamy, but not boiling. This ensures a rich, creamy texture. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated and steaming, remove it from the stove. This is the crucial moment for our minty magic. Carefully stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of pure peppermint extract. Give it a good mix to ensure the mint flavor is evenly distributed throughout. Now, pour your delicious mint hot chocolate into your favorite mugs. For an extra special treat, top it with a dollop of whipped cream or some chocolate shavings. Enjoy. Making mint hot chocolate is all about personal preference. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar or peppermint extract to get your perfect balance of sweetness and mintiness. You can also try different milk options, like almond milk or oat milk, for a unique twist. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. This warm, comforting drink is perfect for any time you need a cozy pick-me-up. Sip slowly and savor every delightful drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.